Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to verify your Discord account. Firstly, open Discord and look for the Start Verification button. Click it to begin the process. Now you'll be prompted to enter a valid mobile phone number. It's important to know that the number cannot be linked to another Discord account. Enter it and then press Next. Now Discord will send an SMS with the verification code to your phone. Enter the code in Discord exactly as received, and once the code is accepted, your phone verification is completed. If you didn't receive the code, check for network issues or request a new SMS, and make sure your phone number is entered correctly and has international dialing code if needed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.